Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you how to crochet this beautiful border pattern on baby blanket. I have uploaded a video of crochet baby blanket pattern on my channel already. So in this video, I will show you how to crochet border. So make 2 chains and skip this chain 1 space into the next chain 1 space. Make a double crochet stitch like this. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, and now we are going to make a single crochet from the side of this double crochet stitch like this. Wrap the yarn around crochet hook, go into the same chain 1 space, draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops. This is how we make a double crochet stitch. Now to make chain picot, make 3 chains, and now we are going to work from the side of this double crochet stitch and make a single crochet. So in this same chain 1 space, make a double crochet, make 3 chains, and then from the side of double crochet stitch, make a single crochet. Again make a double crochet stitch, 3 chains, and a single crochet from the side of this double crochet stitch. Make 2 chains and skip 1 chain 1 space into the next chain 1 space. We are going to make a single crochet, and our first shell is ready. You can see, which is perfectly on the square pattern. Make 2 chains and again we are going to skip first chain 1 space and into the next one make a double crochet stitch, then make 3 chains, and from behind this double crochet stitch we are going to make a single crochet like this. Make double crochet, then 3 chains. After that make a single crochet like this, double crochet again, 3 chains, and a single crochet from behind this double crochet stitch, and make last double crochet stitch. Then we are going to make 3 chains and a single crochet from behind this double crochet stitch. Now make 2 chains, and here we have our corner. So I will show you how to crochet a shell stitch on corner. So we are going to make a single crochet in this corner double crochet stitch. Now make 2 chains, and here we have 3 chains of our corner. So we are going to work in this 3 chain space. Make a double crochet, then 3 chains and a single crochet from behind this, exactly the same as we have made a shell stitch along with chain picot. So we are going to make 4 double crochet stitches along with 3 chains and a single crochet on the same stitch. This is the second one. Make third single crochet stitch, 3 chains and a single crochet from behind this double crochet stitch. And now make the last double crochet stitch, 3 chains and a single crochet from behind this double crochet stitch. Now make 2 chains and we are going to make a single crochet on this next double crochet stitch of our corner right here. So this is how we make shelf stitch on the corner. Now make 2 chains and we are going to work in the second chain 1 space by skipping the first one, and then we are going to make double crochet, chain 3 and a single crochet from behind this double crochet stitch like this, and rest of the pattern would be same as before. So this is how we will make a shell stitch border on a baby blanket along with chain picot, which is made with 3 chains and a single crochet stitch. If you are interested in seeing more border edge patterns like this on my channel, just comment down below. I will make more tutorial videos like this on my channel as well. So now make 2 chains and we are going to make a single crochet in the second chain 1 space by skipping the first one here. You can see all of these shell stitches are perfectly on a square which is made with solid double crochet stitches. So this is our border pattern for our blanket, and I hope you guys like this tutorial video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this in future. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.